channel, and today we are going to learn how to pin chats on Instagram. So let's get started. So if you want to pin some chats on Instagram, so to do that what you can do is simply open up your Instagram application, and after opening up your Instagram application just tap on the message icon which is on the top right, and from here what you have to do is just simply select a chat that you want to pin. For example, I'll just select this one, and after selecting a chat what you have to do is just simply tap and hold on that, and after doing that now you'll find this option which is add label. So after tapping on add label, now you just have to tap on flag and then tap on save, and that person will be flagged. So this is also a kind of pinning on Instagram. So instead of pinning there is flags. What you can do is to simply use that feature. So now after following this, here you can see guys, there is a blue color icon above that chat. So in this way you can also pin someone on Instagram. So that's it guys, this is how to pin chat on Instagram. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.